So we start by dampening cotton pads with the Fibro lotion to remove eye makeup and any lipstick. Then we're going to carry out a double cleanse with our Glyco milk, and that's got your Glyco proteins in there to hydrate and soften the skin. So we use around 5 ml. We've done our double cleanse. We're going to take our Fibro lotion again and apply that to the cotton pads, and we wipe over, and we keep wiping until we've removed any traces of makeup and the cotton pads come away clean. With damp fingertips, around 5 ml, and we're going to gently massage that over the skin. We can use this on most skins, but not on an acne or a very sensitive skin. And when we remove this, we're going to use a nice warm towel, and that's going to leave these beautiful oils on the skin to nourish. We're then going to carry on with our Sensi Boost Ampoule. These ampules have got your beta-glucan in there and your tomato extract, really good for strengthening the skin barrier. These can be used at home or in treatment. We're going to use half of this product now and press that into the skin. We can carry on with a beautiful massage, and to do that we're going to use our hero product Synchro. It's got all your essential fatty acids, your amino acids, all the vitamins and minerals the skin needs to be healthy. We can use it on all skins. And to really customize it and strengthen the skin, we're going to add in Argini, which has got your arginine amino acid in there to help soothe and calm. Once all the Synchro and Argini has been massaged in and you've given a nice relaxing massage, we're going to apply our cold cream mousse. We're going to put around 3 ml of that on and massage that in, and that's going to help to strengthen the skin barrier. You've got your beta-glucan in there and your beautiful oils to strengthen that skin barrier. Directly over that, we're layering products as required. We're going to put our Cytobi on. And Cytobi we're going to use to really put extra nourishment into the skin. Again, rebuild that skin barrier, take any inflammation down. Cytobi is our magic cream here. You can see how gloriously rich that is, almost like butter. All your fats in there and your amino acids to strengthen and soothe the skin. So to continue the treatment, we're going to infuse all of those beautiful ingredients that we've used, and to do that we're going to use a mask called Mineral Mask, which is rich in your gypsum mineral. And what happens is when we mix this with room temperature water, it activates it, and over time it will start to heat and harden. So we're going to mix that with room temperature water, and we're going to apply it over the skin. We're going to use gauze on the skin, cover the eyes and the eyebrows, apply that in a nice visible thick layer and allow that to set, warm gently, and infuse all those ingredients. After 20 minutes we're ready to remove, and to aid the removal process we ask our client to just wiggle their face, and that will just loosen the mask, and then we should just be able to remove that away in a while. So we can see most of the mask has come off. If there is any additional mask, as we can see here, we just take some Fibro, we take some Fibro, dampen cotton pads, and just wipe that over to remove the excess. To complete the treatment, we have the rest of the Sensi Boost Ampoule that we used at the beginning of the treatment. We're going to apply that to the skin, press it in till it's absorbed. Next, to target around the eyes and the neck, we're going to use our lift cream. This is beautiful. It contains our silk tree extracts. That helps with glycation, and it also helps to lift and to firm. To complete the treatment, just as a nice shield to protect the skin barrier, we're going to use our cold cream mousse, around 2.5 ml, and just massage that over the face to complete the treatment.
Visit our website to claim your free trial pack or schedule a consultation or in-salon demonstration.